alaikum everyone.
Assam.
Cognizant of time, I will keep my remarks very
Irfan Baba
brief. First and foremost,
360.
Ramzan Mubarak to each and every one of you. Secondly,
King
it is so
Uftar.
wonderful to see the community coming together. Thirdly, thank you, Mishtaaq Sahib, for everything that you do in our community, supporting community events like this, supporting tourism in Canada and across the world, and really keeping a phenomenal King Travel team together and motivated. Thank you for all of your contributions. If I don't get to see all of you in the coming weeks, I want to give you a Beshi Eid Mubarak. I realize these are the last 9 days of Ramadan that are remaining, and I just want that all of our du'as, all of our prayers really are accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakallah khair for having me here today, and I will ask Saab if you can please come up and accept a small token of appreciation on behalf of myself and the government of Canada for all of your phenomenal efforts.